My name is Elgar and I'm the pilot for the Welsh ambulance based here at sunny Swansea. I've been here for the last 5.5 years now, and my sole purpose is the senior captain here at Swansea, in which we fly all the missions all around south of Wales throughout the year. In the army you work very much as a team every day, and it's exactly the same here. You know, with us, with the charity, with the paramedics and the other air crews around Wales. We all work as a big team together and we all communicate to each other every day. When we go to jobs, we pick patients up and we take them to hospital. Is that we don't really know the recovery, process that they go through after, and we get a load of them come visit us. And to me, to see them in that state where we first saw them, in quite a serious situation and quite serious injuries, to walking into the base and meeting the crew, that to me in itself is very rewarding. And it's good to see, and we get it quite often. Daily we get people coming back to visit us. And that's what really keeps us going in this job. It's not long to go. I'm looking forward to meeting up with everybody and just get on with it. Get day one started and get going, and 8 days later, it should be fun in Cardiff. The money that we got last year, we can see it daily where that money goes, because obviously to keep these aircraft in the air is quite expensive. But every bit of money counts, and what we raised at £150,000 is immense. Please donate as much as you can. We're doing a hard 8 days walk around Wales, but it's all for good cause, and you probably see us every day in the air. But please donate as much as you can. Thank you very much.